Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to our CI/CD Part 3 Test Fairy app distribution. So, what is Test Fairy? So, Test Fairy is an app distribution center which is providing a platform where you can share your app with an internal tester team or any other. So, you can say like Test Fairy is a internal Play Store or beta closing track Play Store. So, what does the Test Fairy provide, and what are the features of Test Fairy, and why I am showing you this Test Fairy? So, would you like to know that? Yes, obviously, that's why you are watching this video, right? So, Test Fairy is providing you the integration of your Android or iOS app to the distribution with your teams like testers or stakeholders with easily, so you can give them update to the app easily like a Play Store, or you can get a crash analytics from there, and you can also analyze the apps analytics like what user is doing, what how much time it is providing in the app, and what he is facing the issue or not, how smooth the app is going. Everything Test Fairy records that sessions and gives you that performance and everything. So these all are the features. So we will look it into detail, but look into the first, which big companies are using Test Fairy. So would you like to know that? Volkswagen, Vodafone, Adobe, T-Mobile, Upwork. So these big companies are using Test Fairy, and they have provided the testimonials here that how Test Fairy solved their issues, how Test Fairy improved their uh, implementation life cycle, app development life cycle. So we also found the Test Fairy is a best for app distribution in our uh, team environment, our work environment. So it is very better platform to share and distribute your app to the testers or Slack holders using this platform. So we will see now what is the Test Fairy features providing. So Test Fairy is providing enterprise app distribution that I told you the first, video sessions. So video sessions means Test Fairy can record the videos showing how the user use app on the real devices. So if any of the user says that I'm facing this issue, and you would never like to say that please send me your video by capturing your screen recording. So you can configure that I want to take that video recording of this user onto the Test Fairy, and Test Fairy will provide this option into your dashboard. In-app feedback. So if you would like to have a feedback from the users that how the app is working, so you can also get that feedback by shaking your devices. Test if you have integrated Test Fairy in your app. So Test Fairy, when the app is shake, device is shake, so app will provide a dialogue that user will give their feedback. So tester will give the feedback that app is working fine or not things. So into the next, I will show you how to sign up for Test Fairy. So sign up on the Test Fairy is very simple process. So click on the sign up here. It will redirect you to the sign up page. So Test Fairy provides three options, that you sign up through your LinkedIn account, existing LinkedIn account, sign up through your Google account. Obviously, all uh, person is having Google account right now in the world, right? Maybe some of the exceptions may not have a Google account, but most of person having a LinkedIn account. Or if you don't have any of this, you can enter your email, and you can choose the subdomain. Means you want to, if you are creating an business app, so you would like to give a subdomain like business.testfairy.com, and you can create a password, and then after you can click on the sign up. So I have already created account using my Google account. So I will click on sign up with Google. So it will redirect me to my Google sign in page. And if you have already signed in with your Google and you have a single account, then it will directly sign in you and redirect you to the app dashboard, TestFairy dashboard. So here is a app section on the dashboard where you can see this is a app. This is a test app that has been, oh, you can see this is a app distribution updates given by TestFairy to me. So right now I'm closing it. So here you can see app section. So into the app section, here is a app that is a test app is given by TestFairy. So this app is on the TestFairy. So leave it right now for. Uh, I will show you how to integrate in it in our Android or iOS application. So for integrating it into our applications, you will need to have an API key. So where you will find an API key? So you will have to go into the your email ID here shown on the top right corner, and then after click on the preference. So clicking on the preference, it will redirect you to the preferences where you can find your app token and upload API key. So upload API key is the key using which you can upload your app. uh, it may be your APK for the Android or IPA for the iOS project. So this API key is needed when you will configure it in your project using SDK or in the CI/CD actions. So for today, I have shown you up to the API key. In the next video part, I will show you how to integrate this API key into our application and upload our application using GitHub Actions CI/CD to this SDK dashboard, and I will show you that app is successfully uploaded in the next part. Thank you.